Okay, so today we are doing a haunted item unboxing today. I've seen all those unboxing videos and okay, I just can't be that enthused. I think I'd rather have a sunshine enema than that. So we're going to run, so I know what's in the box because obviously I ordered it. Ingrid here kind of knows what's in the box. Tony has no idea what's in the box. It's a box. So we're going to have him ask questions and see if anybody can inform us what's in the box at all. I'm just going to let you. Go for it, Tony.
Okay.
So we're using the Necromorph app, or yeah, Necrophonic. My bad.
Yeah, Necrophonic. Toy. It's a toy. Modern technology.
The light in the background is on a motion sensor in the closet.
Yeah, so don't pay attention to that.
It's super sensitive. You get near that thing, put your hand there, that thing goes on. It's pretty cool.
Right. Anyways, is it something for a male in this box?
Is that a no? Not.
Not.
I was going to say, no or not.
So it's for a female.
That was a very creepy yes.
Huh.
And it said she.
Is it something very old? I'll ask it again. Is it something very old in a box?
So right where I'm standing here, I'm getting a cold spot. And I'm a little goosebumpies.
So, what? It is a very small object, obviously.
Check this out.
So, what do you think it is in this box?
Trying to get a temperature reading because the box itself is actually warmer than the table and the surroundings.
Well, that should be. It's cardboard.
Right, but everything else is... Like I said, I'm in a cold spot right here. It's still kind of chilly right where I'm standing. You want to stand there, Ingrid, and tell me if you feel anything?
Huge difference. Very cold right here. Huge difference. Stand there and let your face feel it.
You feel
Yeah, the difference.
And it's just a wall. There's nothing there.
But we're in front of it.
So whatever is here, and the REM pod's still active. You notice that thing hasn't turned off? I don't know why. All right, let's go back to the mystery box.
Okay. So what else can I ask?
The room's getting colder.
I have to kick up the heat.
So do you know if anything is related to anybody out there that the item belongs to? How many are you trying to communicate? 3.
Are you attached to the item that's in the box? thought it said yes. Did it say chills?
Yeah, it did.
There is a
It said
chill
chills.
now.
Yeah, like I said, I'm already.
Yeah.
Yeah, my arm is already starting to.
I got goosebumps too.
Me too. That's why.
Just to let you know now, this place might be haunted. This is undisclosed haunted location,
Yeah.
which we'll do a follow-up on. So can I ask if you're attached to the box or the house?
You say Tony?
So I thought I heard it, but I'm not certain, but we can pull back.
Even earlier. It said
The EMF field's up to 8-9 now if you're watching the
So-
sensor. The REM pod hasn't turned off.
You do know me then.
I'm just going to move you down there.
Yes. Oh.
Can you say anybody else's name who's in the room? I could have sworn that said. Can you say my name, please? REM pod on the floor is lighting up. Be back in a second. Ask a couple more questions.
There who is?
How many people are in the room now?
There's more than one person besides us in this room.
So how do you know me?
Knows you because we decided you're the guinea pig.
Are you part of the house?
How? Did you say hollowed?
Are you part of what's in the box? I'm going to ask again. Are you part of the house?
I said no.
No. Are you part of the object in the box? The box.
Okay, I think it's time to open it.
Okay.
There's like a million razor blades down here.
Alright, we're opening the box now.
Okay. Oh, hello.
Focus.
Focus. I have a sharp object, so I should. Oh, I must say this, they really did a good job of having us. Oh, it's a comic book sleeve. I was wondering what this was. Did you say don't?
Put it back.
Put it back?
Put it back. Careful.
Extremely careful. So this is a very, very type of old photography. You can barely make out what's on it. I'm going to hold it up to this. As you can see, it's a picture of a little girl. Now that I hold it up to the light, it almost looks like it makes out a skull with this backing here. So, can you say yes or no if you're attached to this glass photograph that I have in my hands? Yeah, just be careful with it. You can barely make it out. What was it called? Ambrose?
Ambrose, not Ambrosia, but Ambrose.
It was
Again.
photography used back in the mid 1800s.
Ambrose or something like that.
The meter's still jumping. The REM pod hasn't turned off. The other sensor luckily hasn't kicked on. So,
This photo is from 1800s or later.
did it just say yes? Yes, that was a very, very faint but clear yes. Alrighty, another. This is just getting downright annoying. Another cold spot just walked right past me.
This was from a big city, correct?
Is the photo of a boy or a girl?
Boy.
Yeah, watch out for this stupid card.